नमस्कार। मैं महेश कपूर आपके साथ छोटी छोटी बातों में। You can have a cup of coffee anywhere in the world, anywhere and everywhere. Most countries of the world have coffee, although it's not a very old phenomenon, and it is different in different countries. A shot of cappuccino in Italy, the coffee in the bazaar of Turkey, or in a barista in anywhere else in the world, it is different and enjoyed everywhere. Well, the story of coffee is not very old. मेरे ख्याल 500 साल के करीब होंगे। यमन में पहले कॉफ़ी थी और वहीं पीते थे लोग, मिडल ईस्ट और उस इलाके में। और फिर उसके बाद इट वेंट टू यूरोप और हिंदुस्तान में देखिए कैसे आई। बाबा बदाऊं एक पिलग्रिम थे जो मक्का गए और अपनी दाढ़ी में वो कॉफी सीड्स स्मगल करके लाए। स्मगलिंग भी बड़ी पुरानी चीज है, कहाँ कहाँ से और कैसे कैसे लोग लाते रहे हैं। बहरहाल वो अपनी दाढ़ी में जब स्मगल करके लाए, फिर कर्नाटक में उन्होंने in the hills of Karnataka he sold that, and the rest, as they say, is history. Coffee in South India came and is very popular. Coffee houses came later. Coffee house came in Germany and in many other parts of Europe. The early coffee houses in India were in Madras and Calcutta, but they were racially discriminated, meant only for Europeans. In the 20th century, the India Coffee Board started India Coffee House. The first India Coffee House came in Bombay, in Churchgate. And in the 40s, 50 cities of India had coffee houses. India Coffee House. मुझे याद है इंडिया कॉफी हाउस ऑफ दिल्ली. It used to be in Queensway, now Janpat. And what a place! 3 आने की गर्म कॉफी पे इतना अरसा बैठकर दुनिया को हिला देने वाली चर्चा होती थी वहां पर. It was the adda of journalists and bureaucrats, not so many bureaucrats, no, but there were insurance agents. I remember one guy used to meet his clients, giving his address care of the coffee house, and he would meet him there. You could occasionally find a smart journalist like Surinder Nihal Singh walking out from Statesman and coming to have his coffee in the India Coffee House. There was Uma Vasudev there. She was given a nickname by the local journalists as 303. What a place that India Coffee House was. But it got wrapped up because the coffee board decided to close their coffee houses, and then the workers, they decided to continue running it. And now the India Coffee House is in Baba Khadak Singh Marg, and still a very popular joint to have a very good cup of coffee. Another coffee house which I remember by student days is the United Coffee House in Connaught Place, which still exists. It's a little posh now, but it was a great coffee house even those days. And a place for meeting. Actually, coffee तो एक मिलने का बहाना है. चाहे कॉफी ना पिए के, let's meet for a coffee. ये जरूरी नहीं है आप कॉफी पिए. कुछ लोग बियर पीते हैं, चाय पीते हैं, लेकिन कहते हैं चलो let's meet at coffee. मुझे याद है हम 57 बैच के IITS 4-5 लोग 20 साल IIC एनेक्स में कॉफी के लिए मिलते रहे रेगुलरली. मिलने का बहाना है. As an urbanite, I must say, I must quote T.S. Eliot when he says in the love song of J. Alfred Prufrock, I have known the evenings, mornings and afternoons. I have measured out my life with coffee spoons. जी, हर बूंद की कॉफी एक दास्तां बयां करती है. Enjoy a cup of coffee. नमस्कार.